Hello, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, wherever you are. For me, it's noon here. It's afternoon. So, everybody, you guys are welcome. Today, I want to take you guys straight to the point. Live streaming Forex trading with Jeffrey Benson. That's today's topic. And I'm sure you guys are as much as excited as well as I am too. Last week, I wasn't able to come here live. That's the first time this year that I will not appear here live. And that's because I was ill and I was also traveling at the same time. I also had to try to make out time and do all of that. Okay, so I do miss you guys. If you miss me, drop number one on the chat box. Drop number one. Drop number one. Drop number one on the chat box if you do miss me. I was ill. I couldn't really keep up. I couldn't really keep up many things last week. So oh, nice. I miss you guys too. I saw that already in the comments. That's why I was saying, okay, let's go. Let's go. I miss you guys too as much. All right. Thank you. So today's live streaming. I'm currently right now I'm in Berlin in Germany. Where are you guys at? Let me know where your location is at. Where are you at? I'm in Germany, in Berlin. All right. Where's the location? Let me know your name and your location. Let me know your name and your location. UK, Abia, Ghana, Nigeria, UAE, Ghana, United States, Pakistan, Benin Republic, Lokoja, oh, Benin, Nigeria. Sorry, that's Benin, those states. Okay. Nigeria, Manchester, Abuja, Kumasi, Tanzania, Zambia, Frankfurt, Kebbi. So someone who said it was in Frankfurt. Germany is in Germany too. Nice. Kigali, Kumasi, Nigeria. Everybody's well represented here. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. You guys are so welcome. South Africa, I see you guys too on the chat. Frankfurt, Germany, I see you guys. I see you. So now let's go. So in today's live stream, I'm just going to go straight to the point, start broadcasting my screen, and then we start talking about trade right from there already. Okay. So I'm going to click on. Someone said it's in Berlin too. I see you guys. The account everybody was seeing. So last week I shared a signal. I think. Let me do here. Boom. All right. So I'm sure everybody can see my screen clean. So as a matter of fact, I'm seeing a signal right in front of us right now already. I'm seeing a signal, although it's not so clear, but then it's a signal, right? I'm seeing a signal to go long right here. So price get to this point before dropping. So it's a scalp signal, a scalp on GBP USD. So what are these two red lines? These two red lines are high of the week, low of the week. We got it from the 4-hour time frame by using the first two candles to form for the week, the first two candles to form during the week. So if I hover around any of these candles, this is Sunday, then this is Monday. So this week's action starts from here, 1, 2. So this is the lowest, then this is the highest. So we are here, right? And then you can see price has also bounced off on this high, 1, 2, and then this is it's supposed to come down. All right, but before this coming down, it needs to touch the psychological level for its solidification, right? So that's what I'm looking out for, a buy bias from here to at least to scalp. I'm not looking for too much pips, right? I'm not looking for too much pips because I just want to load it in with 10 lots, and then I'm so good there. I'm so good. So that's all I want to do, right? Okay, guys. Good. I'm having calls, distractions. Boom. So I just want to like catch, like risking this much, 8 pips, to catch up onto the psychological level. That's it. It's a short scalp. And don't pull body if you cannot take this risk of 8 pips. No go pull body. There are other pairs coming now. I'm analyzing more things for you. If you know you don't have 8 pips to risk, 8 pips can be, for someone that use 0.1, it can be $8. For someone that use 0.01, that means you're risking 80 cents. For someone that is using one standard, you are risking $80. For someone that use 10 standards, you are risking $800. So if you know the category 100 standard lot size, you are risking $8,000 on this trade. And if it goes well, what will you be making? You'll be making more than up to times 3, right? Times 3. That is, for somebody that risk $8, I'm going to be making times 2, which is $8. That would be 16, like that. $160, $1,600, $16,000, like that, like that, like that. That's what you'll be making in return. Okay, good stuff. That's on this trade. So let me go ahead and check on GBP JPY. You are already in on that trade, right? We are in on that trade. So let's just hold it up. GBP JPY also is forming the same pattern I'm seeing. Buy right now, buy, 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 buy. So let me do a top-down analysis first so that you guys will know how I'm arriving at my answers or at my signals. Though I've seen it before. Yeah. So we come here, just me, I'm replaying script. What I've seen, even just naked eye looking at it, it's clean. It's clean. It's almost like I'm the one controlling this thing now. It's clean. It's clean. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pim, 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 pim. It's a buy 2 on GJ. So GJ, in fact, buy right now. Before we talk too much, just buy. Buy before the market will leave us. So on GJ, you must be ready to risk 39 pips to take this trade. So do you know why I'm always saying you must be ready to do this? So that you know what you are really in for. All right. You know what you are doing at each point in time. So you must be ready to risk this much. Can you see? Ready to risk this much for 39 pips. You know, GJ and G's. The volatilities. If you know, I explained volatility in my last trade, in my last trade, in my last video. Some of you, what are we buying? What are we buying? Say the camera is blur. Oh, really? Okay, let me go back on GU again. Let me go back on GU. Let me go back on GU. Pound. So I said your entry should be here. Your GU stop loss is 1.29186. Buy GU 1.29, stop 186. All right. So let me send this screen to the group. It's a quick scalp. It's a scalp. I'm going to be sending only on Telegram. USD. Stop loss. 0.29. 186. Okay, that's on GU. Then GJ, we're also buying GJ. So GJ, we did buy right now. Stop loss on GJ is 202.361. 202.361. So let's go. So we've dropped two signals already. Yeah. Yeah, good. Okay. I'm sure everybody's catching it, yeah? Are you guys following along? Are you following along? Someone said Telegram link. Oh, the Telegram link is obviously it's here already. For if you want to join my Telegram link to be able to see the signals, if you just want to follow up the later result now and later, then click on this one to follow it up. This link I'm about to share. Follow up with us. Just click on it to land you in. Please don't do mistake and follow fake pages. This is my only page. This is my only page. Please, this one, as you can see. So let me share my screen and show you the Telegram. Okay. So here's the Telegram, right? As you can see. So this is currently 151,000. Just in case, please don't join the wrong one. And I don't ask you for investment money. I don't ask you to send me money. I don't ask for any investment. I don't take investment. So beware of scam. I have to make that disclaimer so we all know we are the same page on the same page. Yeah. Okay. I won't ask you for money or whatsoever, whether we are close or not close, anything. Don't fall for scammers. Don't fall. All right, so we long in GU, GJ. Let's check EU. Then the next thing I'm checking is gold. The next thing I'll be checking will be gold. On Euro USD, I can see a clear market is beginning to turn downwards. Okay, let me check in for $385. All these lines, let me delete them. They're not necessary right now. $390 on Euro USD and on 1,095. Okay, good. So if you check on 1 hour time frame, you see market is making pressure to want to go down a bit. To me, I want to short Euro USD. I want to short Euro USD because of this pattern. It's not looking bullish to me. It's looking more bearish to me at this level. All right. But just so that we don't have too much going on, let's take GJ and GU only for that short scalp. And then let's check on gold. Let's check on gold. So, and I'm also going to do analysis if you are currently looking at us now. Wow, gold is on sell spree, sell on gold. If you're looking at us right now, you don't even know how to get started. Don't worry, I'll walk you through what you need to be doing in order for you to catch up, at least for a start. Gold is on a sell spree. Sell. But should you sell now? That's what I want to check. Hold on. Should you go in for a sell? No, hold on. Let's do an analysis. 2003, 2385, 2390. 395. 2004. 405. All right, so let's check. For gold, if you are holding your sell before, keep holding sell. So I'm seeing gold fall minimum to this low, minimum to come to this low. Good. So let me say short from here to this point. This is what I'm seeing on gold. Minimum drop. Let me distort it. Pick it up. But then, is it advisable for you to go in now? No, because do you know why? Your stop loss is going to be too big. Stop loss is going to be about 1,846, and then your take profit will only is not even up to 1 to 2. So this is a bad trade. Don't take it. So hence the reason why I said if this was your entry on gold right now, I mean before Narada, then you can keep holding it because see it's still going far. But if you were not on gold before, don't go in now. All right. I hope that's clean. Clean, Abi. Right. So when it's time for a new entry, I'll monitor it and I'll let you guys know. So quick one. Now, if you are new, you don't know how all the signals, I even how to take the signal. It's very simple. All you need to do is to sign up with our recommended broker. I always drop that in the Telegram all the time. So you can click on here to join our Telegram. So if I open my Telegram, is here. I always share this stuff here. This one here. So it's very crucial. Let me just repost it again. And I'll follow the process for you with you guys. You can be profiting. There's someone the other day that he made $9,000 with my signal, but then there's also someone that lost. He lost $200. Now, why is someone making and someone is losing? I'm not sure you guys can see my other screen now. Let me stop this one and share my whole screen, entire screen. Let me share the whole entire screen. Why is someone making and someone is losing? This is a simple secret I want to explain to you guys now. Just hang on with me. Good. So this is our Telegram, right? If you click on that link I sent to you guys a while ago, which is this is our Telegram user. This is user name Fire Peep Signals. So in case you are watching this on a later date, I want you to take caution and spell it out one after the other so that you don't fall in the wrong group. This is the right one. Right now we are currently 151 at the time of making this live. Okay, so this is the process to follow in order for you to start taking signal as someone who is just wanting to catch little signal, $400 to make small amount of money. So people make crazy money every now and then on our signals. You can see proof at the top right there. People making money like this one and all of that. All right, okay, this is my own. This was my own. But people make money. I send a signal. Just take your time to go through the channel to see what I'm saying. So first thing you want to do, you have to click on this link and you register with your details. Then the next thing you want to do is you make sure you select MT5 or MT4, but I'll recommend you select MT5. Select a leverage of 1 to 2,000 if your account is small, and address should be same as what you use on your utility bill. That is the address you have on your what you want to use as proof of payment should be the same and all of that. So if you have any more question, you can chat us up on WhatsApp by clicking on this one. My support team will reply you, or you chat up my Telegram, my personal account. You want to DM me, click on this one, all right? Or you can call us on this number. This is Fire Peep phone number. They'll respond to you, and you phone your account to start trading. Let me show you how to take these signals. Okay. So once you get in on, if you see me send, for example, let me go back to GBP USD that I just sent as an example for you. Like I just said, buy GBP USD, GBP USD. First, let's say this example, I have $100 account. That's what I want to use as an example. Let's assume I have $100 account and I'm the trader in this case, right? So I'm going to come in here and check where was the entry point. Entry point simply means where the red and the green meets. That's your entry. That's what you're expected to get in. The red and the green meet. So if I check on the signal channel, I found out that the green candle, bullish candle, has gone way farther than this, where the red and the blue, this line here. I'm not going to take it. It's already late. All right, it's late. Let's say it has gone about, say, 20 pips farther or 30 pips. It depends. I don't want to use pips too. It depends on the type of trade. If you see that the take profit is long, that means I think that it's going to be a very long buy. But if it is short like this one is just 23 pips. It's very short, to be honest. And then the stop loss is also very small. It's going to be a scalp. So if something like this has gone like 10 pip in profit, has gotten here, don't enter again. All right. So now let's say we caught it early, like where it is right now, right? We're going to get in on $100, do 0.02 maximum, 0.02 to 0.01. So I'm going to do 0.02 lot size as my entry here now. That's going to be 0.02. On my 100, remember I have a $100 account as an example. All right. So I'm going to put my stop. Your stop loss is where this red line ends. Sometimes I quote it too. Most of the time I used to quote it on our Telegram. So you check 1.29186. I'm going to go to my stop loss level side, 1.29186. And then take profit. I would just leave it open, but then I can be watching anytime price move up to this point, or maybe it moves on, flashes up. Even before I tell you to close, you can just close on your own. That's how the guy makes 9,000. The guy said that this is not his first money making, that is not his first time. He wanted to send me some money, but then I said no, because me, normally I wouldn't want to take money from anybody, just so that he doesn't get confused on that there may be a scammer is asking him to send money. All right. That's how he was able to make 10,000, 9,000 plus. Other people making crazy amount of money. That is how he was able. But however, he has a good understanding of trading too. But anytime I send signals, he hops on it, and then he makes money off it. So you can see these guys forwarded. This is from Dentit, Tenisha. You see how I forwarded it. This guy was up at this day on $112. This guy was up $1,000 on the same signal. You see, everybody, this guy was up 7,692, although his account is $127,000. Maybe it's a funded account or something. But this guy, $5,000, he made $5,000 with it. So his new account is now 10,007. So people are making money, guys. Don't sit on it. Just make sure you are doing it the right way. Copy the signal the right way. So now let me start getting questions regarding the signals that I send, or maybe any other thing. Ask me a question. Oh, no. Don't question me yet. Let's William, you here, right? William, I want you to take over and tell us what BTC is saying right now. Tell us what BTC is saying. Someone said that, he said GU is floating in profit. He said we are eating. Onu Samuel said we are eating. Congratulations. I'm happy that you guys are making money already again this morning. Are you the owner? You see what I'm saying now? He said, are you the owner of the Telegram channel, Jeffrey Benson office? Obviously not me. That's not me. I will show you one I have. That's what I've shown you guys. Not me. It can never be me. I only have one. Just to know that anybody that is asking you to send money or put money in an investment, that will not be me. Or join this social group, do this one, do that one, do this one. It can never be me. That's the one clear way to run away. We have a new member. That's Inaolaji. Sorry. Inaolaji Tope. Thank you for joining us here on YouTube. Thank you. So Williams, how you doing? How Saturday?
Very fine. Good afternoon,
Amazing.
everybody. Good morning, good evening, whatever part of country you're joining from. Me currently is afternoon here already, 15:24 apparently. Yes, so basically, I'm going to analyze BTC and show you what I'm expecting BTC to do. Literally, last week we have eaten off BTC or making a lot of money from trading Bitcoin, and it has just been amazing for it, like very, very amazing. Okay, so let me just hop on the chart straight up immediately. Let me present my screen on BTC. So this was a past week. These are our past week trades, making it, and this has been one of the best times to trade Bitcoin because the setups are very, very clear right now. So for us to understand what Bitcoin is currently doing, you just have to go through the daily time frame. to understand. So this is currently an uptrend. But because of it's an uptrend does not mean that we should just hop on the buy. No. We come over to the 4 hours to know if there's going to be any reversal pattern at all on this particular time frame. So as you can see, the market is not giving us any reversal pattern yet, which means that the tendency to buy is still high. So I'll come over to the 1 hour time frame to know if there is any pattern at all, if there's any pattern formation. So for Bitcoin, what I'll be expecting Bitcoin to do is to sell. So I'm expecting to sell Bitcoin, yes. Now the question will be like, well, market is forming a W pattern. Now, something you guys need to understand about patterns is that just because market is trying to form a W pattern on the 15 minutes time frame does not mean that it will hold. It can sometimes change. A market will now form from that W pattern to the M pattern. Because of we always tell you to look out for pattern like W pattern or M pattern, does not mean that you should just jump on from the 15 minutes time frame. Understand the flow of the river. Understand what the market is telling you. Let the market speak to you. Then what you only do is to react. You don't predict. You react to what market do. So that's exactly what we just did there. So one market, when this candle tends to burn out, please, this is a good time to what? To sell. So one market tends to what? Burn out. This candlestick tends to burn out. Now understand the candlestick. Don't jump in yet. Now see the smart way to do it. If you have a 0.1, you come over to 5 pips calculator. Let me share the full screen. So let me share the full screen. Entire screen. Share. If you can see my screen, let me know. All right. Nice. So now you come over to 5pipsfx.com, 5pipsfx.com. Then you come to fire calculator. This is where we have our lot size calculator. In this lot size calculator, is interesting thing now we have GU, we have BTC, we have US30. You can analyze you can check or calculate your risk on this particular calculator right here. So the instrument I choose or the instrument I trade always is BTC USD. And let's say you have an account balance of $100 and you want to risk 50% of it, which is $50. Then the stop loss level, we come over to the stop loss, we come over to trading view. I go to trading view and calculate around this particular area here, which is 241 pips. Because the reason why this pips movement is the stop loss level is kind of high is because of how volatile Bitcoin can be. So now I'll come over to 5pipsfx.com here and I'll put 241, then calculate. Once I click on calculate, you see the amount at risk is 50. The standard law is telling you to use 0.207. Now, this is where dollar cost averaging comes. Because of this particular candlestick is still pushing, it's still giving us a bullish candlestick. But we all know that market wants to sell. The intention is to sell this market. So you now do 0.207 divided by 3. That's what you now do. 0.207 divided by 3. That is going to give you 0.069. So you enter first position here. Just enter only one position here now. So the reason for that is even if market comes and take you out, you're not going to risk that $50. You're still protected. So until market gives you extra confirmation that market wants to sell, then you enter into your other words, the remaining lot size that you split it. That's how dollar cost averaging works. Okay. And that also helps you to be able to stack appropriately in trading and also to try to preserve your capital at the same time too as well. So that's my analysis or that's my bias for BTC. Please just sell for you. Sell, all right? So that's it basically, guys. So if you have any question, kindly let me know. If you have any questions at all, kindly let me know. Any questions on BTC USD, kindly let me know. Why did you divide by 3? It's dollar cost averaging. The reason why I divided by 3 is because of the fact that where we are entering, that first particular area we're entering, the market is still buying. But remember that you want to sell. That is the reason why we now have to split our lot size. So when we split our lot size, we now have to use the first one of the portion of what we splitted to enter. That's what's called dollar cost averaging. Please, all right? Is DCA. Rather than you using your entire lot size to place on that particular trade, you dollar cost first. When market gives extra confirmation, then you double down. That is the explanation about it. Is that clear? Nice. Someone say, no, BTC is buying. Buy. If BTC is buying, buy. Do you understand? I told you my bias. If BTC is buying, you buy. But don't come to my DM crying. I explained to you how to dollar cost average on BTC so you can sell down. Yeah. All right. Yes, you can sell BTC on MT5, but best place. Yes, you can trade BTC too with $100. Literally, some people trade with $10. A lot of some people trade from. There's someone that sent his proof of what he did from $10 to he made 236 USD around that range. 236 USD. That's what the person made. So you can make that particular amount because it's very volatile. So it's very easy to make money off it. And same thing, it's very easy to what to hit your stop loss at the same time. So yeah, that's my bias on BTC. I'm expecting market to sell on Bitcoin, guys, sell on Bitcoin. That is it. Sell on Bitcoin, please. So that's what I'm expecting market to do. Just literally sell. Now coming to Bitcoin, let me present my screen on Bitcoin to show you something. Please just pay attention to this. Now you see this candlestick. You see this pattern here. You see this pattern here. Markets can literally come and do something like this. Can do something like this. You think it's buying. Market can just do something like this and start selling aggressively. It can do something like this. That is why because of market is forming a pattern on the 15 minutes time frame, you don't judge the direction of the market by just one pattern. That's what they call correlation of time frames. You have to understand time frame and how they relate with what patterns, how they relate with patterns. You have to understand it very, very well. It's very important to understand it. So for the person that, so for why the intention of one buying because this pattern on the 1 hour time frame should synchronize with the one on the 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So that's why I'm expecting market to sell, and I'm so very, very confident with it. Yeah, you have to sell BTC, sell Bitcoin. So I'm also selling too as well. So yeah, someone said my screen was not showing. Oh, so sorry about that. See it here. This is what I was explaining. You can see right now. So because of this candle that is forming right here, there's no mean that because of this candlestick that's forming, this pattern here can synchronize with the one that's forming on the 1 hour time frame to sell. So yes, we're selling Bitcoin, please. That's what I'm expecting on BTC USD. That's what I'm literally expecting on BTC USD. So your stop loss should be at 67,850. 67,850. That's your stop loss level on Bitcoin. That's your stop loss level on Bitcoin. 67,850. Let me screenshot this and also send it to the Telegram channel. What I'm expecting on Bitcoin. Send it to the Telegram channel. Does BTC respect psychological levels? Yes, very well. Bitcoin Bitcoin respects psychological levels very well. Bitcoin respects psychological level very well. What are the news did you read before? I don't read news. I basically understand that when or if my psychological levels are if my technical analysis is correct, my fundamental news will always follow through. So if my analysis is wrong, then news hits me out. That is it. I just try to make it very simple. Try and keep trading very simple. It's not complicated. Don't complicate things in trading, guys. Keep it very simple. Don't make it hard. Don't make it difficult for yourself. Keep it very simple. That is why mastery is when you do something, is when you easily do something. That is when mastery comes in. Just so you don't try to expect or try to complicate things just because you want to make money off the market. Just what we are here for is financial freedom. And if you are still finding it difficult to be financially free, then you have to understand that something is wrong in your analysis or something. So yeah, that's it. Psychological levels on Bitcoin are 50-50 pips, just like any other currency pair. 50-50 pips. The reason I'm not plotting is I really know where psychological level is on Bitcoin. That's why you can see my screen like this. So it's 50-50 pips, yeah. 50-50 pips.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Williams.
All right, thank you.
Believe. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Yeah,
Are you done with the questions?
yeah, I'm done.
Okay,
Someone said
nice.
Bitcoin is not selling.
Don't worry. It's like it's not an instant. They are newbies, so you have to like take it easy. They are newbies sometimes. You see, they expect that once you say it's a sell, they just start selling immediately. They don't
Yeah,
know that
exactly.
yeah, that's why.
All right, thank you.
All
Thank
right,
you
thank
guys.
you.
Have a nice day.
Big
Yeah.
ups. All right, so guys, let me just share one more thing regarding. So GU is tanking down a bit. It's going for a stop. While GJ is in profit. Okay, let's see. GJ on, keep holding your buys, and GU too as well. Keep holding your buys. We know what we are in for. Let's see what we are able to achieve between now and it's sharp trades between now and the next 30 minutes or 24 minutes, because this session will be is about an hour. So we see this one is losing money, but GJ is making money. GJPY is making money for us. Let's see. Let me check Euro USD that I abandoned the other time. Let's see what it's doing. Euro USD is tanking. It was a sell, I said, but then there was no point to put stop loss. Stop loss is going to be very wide. And let me check gold. Gold is a sell. Gold was a sell structure I saw. Yeah. You see, it's dropping on a sell. Gold is a sell structure. So I'm seeing gold still tanking to about 2,377 here. Seeing gold still dropping that much. Okay, let's go back to GBP USD. GU stop loss calling. But then let's see. Just make sure you put the accurate stop loss and let's watch everything. All right. Keep you guys posted in the chatting in Telegram. So if you have any question, do let me know now before I leave. I already sent the signal to just let me know. I need to be in transit at about, I'm risking my time for you guys now. I need to be in transit at about 5:30. I should be on my way to the airport right now. So Bitcoin should sell. He said sell. William said sell. I'm not the one talking about Bitcoin. He said it's going to be a sell. So all right. Thank you. Say I'm a wizard in Forex. Yeah, a wizard in Forex. Thank you. What other things am I seeing here? What other thing? How to flip. If you want to learn how to flip, high time you join the mentorship, the Fire People Academy, bro. Join us here. If you are new, you don't have money to start, join the free class. But if you don't want to fast track your learning process, obviously when you make money, you don't joke around with it. It's better you join in the mentorship, and these are the planned prices. All right. Okay. See you guys at the top. See you all at the top. If you're ready, just know that now is the perfect time for you to take that trade. Now is the perfect time for you to make that decision. All right. Take it easy and bye for now. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you again, same time, same place next week. Bye for now, guys. Bye.